Ever dream of owning a home and having someone else pay for your mortgage? This isn't just a dream, it's called house hacking. And it's one of the smartest ways to get ahead, especially as you're starting to build your personal wealth. So let's break it down. House hacking means you live in one part of the property and you rent out the other. A duplex is the perfect setup. Two fully separate units, one for you and one for your tenant. There's private entrances, separate kitchens and bathrooms, real privacy, not just someone in your basement. Best part, your tenant might pay most or even all of your mortgage. That's low living costs, that's equity building, that's a head start most people don't get. And picture this, you buy a duplex for, let's say, $325,000. Your monthly payment with everything in is gonna be about $2,600. So let's say your tenant on the other side pays $1,800 a month in rent. So now you're living in your own place for $800. And where else can you live for 800 bucks? You're building equity and you also have the tax break. Add in the loan pay down and in 5 years, you might be sitting on $80,000, $100,000 in equity. You can actually make the numbers work without needing $100,000 down. You just need approximately about 3.5% down. So first, define your goals. Are you trying to eliminate rent, get into real estate investing, create some freedom? Then identify your real estate agent. Find someone that you work well with and has a ton of experience. You want to find a rock star to work with. And next, financing. If you're a first-time buyer, FHA loans let you buy a duplex with just 3.5% down. You just have to live in one unit. If you're a veteran, you can use your VA loan and buy with 0% down, which is amazing. And this works for duplexes, triplexes, and fourplexes. So you're buying an income-producing asset with a low down payment loan. That's the hack. What to look for? Here's your playbook. Private entrances. Good layout, right? There's no weird shared living spaces. Parking for both units, separate utilities, if possible, or maybe plan to split them. And bonus, if it's got laundry in both units, renters absolutely love that. So do the math, you guys. This part matters the most. Before you fall in love with a property, run the numbers. Number one, what's realistic rent that you're gonna get? Add up all the costs, mortgage, insurance, taxes, maintenance, all that fun stuff. Then make sure the rent covers a majority of your monthly costs. If it doesn't pencil, just pass on it. Keep looking. Make sure you're working with a rockstar real estate agent. There's still great deals out there. You just need to know someone that's gonna work hard for you and find you the right deals. So now you're the landlord and don't panic. Listen, managing one tenant isn't that bad. Screen carefully, use a lease, set expectations. You're living next door, so you will know if anything's off. This is not a slumlord energy. This is you running a simple business that helps you live cheap and start building your wealth. Most people think buying a home is just a milestone. House hacking makes it a move. It's offense, it's not defense. It's equity, cash flow, tax perks, and long-term wealth, just for choosing a duplex instead of a single family home. You can still buy right now, rent easily, and win big. It's like the Chiefs drafting Patrick Mahomes, the one move that changed everything. This can too. So if you're interested about getting ahead, not just owning, but winning, this might be your shot. Start your house hack the smart way.